Hello my fellow handsome gentlemen, I'm Piotr Grotnik from Men's Improvement, the channel that is dedicated to make you look, feel, smell and be like the best possible version of yourself. Let's talk about having bad breath. Having bad breath kills any chances of you talking to a girl instantly. Not only does it kill your chances talking to an attractive girl, but also makes people less interested in talking to you. The reason is people don't like being around other people that smell bad or have bad breath. Let's be honest, you probably don't like to talk to other people or be around people that either smell bad or have bad breath. But don't worry bro, I got you. That is why I'm here making this very video, to tell you 5 reasons why your breath might stink even though you're taking care of it, and how you can fix these reasons. The first reason why your breath might stink is because you're using a normal toothbrush. Let me tell you one thing, get that shit out of here. You don't need that anymore. In fact, I think you should step up your toothbrush game and actually get yourself an electric toothbrush. You should 100% get yourself an electric toothbrush, because not only does it brush your teeth faster, but also does it more precisely and better. Listen bro, technology has evolved and so has toothbrushes, so that is why you should leave the old toothbrushes and actually get yourself and invest in an electric toothbrush to actually brush your teeth more efficiently, and just to clean your mouth a lot better and clean your teeth a lot better than you would have done with that old piece of crap right there. And listen bro, electric toothbrushes aren't even expensive. I got mine for around 18 to 20 bucks, so I would advise you 100% to use 18 to 20 bucks minimum for an electric toothbrush. The second reason why your breath might stink even though you're taking care of it is that you're actually forgetting to floss. Let me tell you one thing, flossing is one of the most important steps in oral hygiene because it gets rid of the leftover food that might be stuck in your teeth. It also helps your gums and roots of your teeth stay strong and healthy. Instead of actually buying floss, you can get some floss sticks right here for $1 at your local store or on Amazon. They're so affordable yet so helpful. So remember to floss your teeth to get rid of the food that might be the reason to your stinky breath. The third reason why your breath might stink even though you're taking care of it is that you're brushing your teeth incorrectly. I'm certain that 99, if not hopefully 100% of you guys are brushing your teeth regularly 2 times a day. But the question is, do you do it correctly? I want you to take your time when you brush your teeth. Give them a good brush, but don't go berserk and don't be too gentle. I want you to do it good and do it right. You want to give your teeth a good session of brushing every time you brush your teeth. No excuses, take your time, do what you need to do and brush your teeth correctly. Number 4 is one that the majority of guys forget to take care of, and I have been guilty of this as well, but I've recently been aware and trying to improve on it, and that is taking care of your tongue. Take a look at your tongue. Go to your mirror and look at your tongue. Is it white or does it have white spots? Does it? If it does, then let me tell you what that means. The white stuff on your tongue is bacteria that is collecting itself on your tongue and is the primary reason why your breath stinks. You can get rid of that smell from your tongue with 3 things. 1, you can use a toothbrush and actually brush your tongue and get rid of the white stuff on your tongue every single time you brush your teeth. Or you can use a tongue scraper to actually scrape off the white stuff on your tongue to reduce the smell of your breath. Or you can actually go for option number 3, which is also the 5th reason why your breath might stink, and that is actually that you don't use a mouthwash. Mouthwashes are great because they can make your breath actually smell nice instantly. It helps get rid of some bacteria that you might have hiding in your mouth and on your teeth and on your tongue, but it's also a quick fix for fresh smelling breath. It certainly helps, and if you're not using mouthwash, I 100% recommend that you start using it, because it is just a small thing that doesn't take a long time that will help you instantly. and it's also very affordable. I recommend you 100% to pick up a bottle of mouthwash so you can use it after you brush your teeth and floss and scrape off the bacteria on your tongue. I want you to just use a cap full of mouthwash, put it in your mouth and have it around in your mouth for around a minute and spit it out, and that is all good. All in all, hygiene is about doing the small things that matter consistently. Brushing your teeth regularly 2 times a day, flossing, scraping off the bacteria off your tongue, and all of the other things that matter. Doing all of these consistently will help you attain a freshly smelling breath every day, and just having all in all good oral hygiene, which is what really matters. I want you to stay consistent. Do this as much as possible, as consistent as possible, because it will pay off in the long run. So gentlemen, these were 5 reasons why your breath might stink even though you're taking care of it, and how you could fix the reasons. And if you enjoyed and found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, for more content that will help you become a better version of yourself every time you watch a video of mine. And press the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video to educate you about everything about how to become a better version of yourself. And until the next video, smile more, it's free.